Part 91 of Chapter 3. When the corpse was brought forth, all the men, women, and children who flocked to the funeral procession smote their breasts, rent their garments, and uttered loud lamentations. These mourners were of all creeds and of various nations, Jews and Christians, Turks, Romans, and Arabians were among them. Each recited sacred passages according to their several usages from the law, Psalms, or the Gospel. The Muslims strove to drive away these strangers with blows of fists, or staff, or sword, which is not the Islamic way. They would not be repelled. A great tumult was the result. The Sultan, the heir apparent, and the Parwana all flew to appease the strife, together with the chief rabbis, the bishops, abbots, etc. It was acts of these latter why they mixed themselves up with the funeral of an eminent Muslim sage and saint. They replied that they had learnt from him more of the mysteries shrouded in their scriptures than they had ever known before, and had found in him all the signs and qualities of a prophet and saint, as set forth in those writings. They further declared, O ye Muslimin, hold him to have been the Muhammad of his age. We esteem him as the Moses, the David, and the Jesus of our time, and we are his disciples, his adherents. The Muslim leaders could make no answer, and so, in all honor, with every possible demonstration of love and respect, was he borne along, and at length laid in his grave. He died as the sun went down on Sunday, the 5th of the month, Jamad al-Akhir, al-Hijra 672, the 16th of December, 1273 of the Common Era, being thus 68 lunar years, 66 solar years of age. You know, about every 32 solar years, there's 33 lunar years.